Welcome to Jason's Soft Training Consult channel. Ever wondered what to wear for a dinner occasion? It's a question we've all asked ourselves at some point. Whether it's a laid-back gathering with friends or a fancy 5-course meal, dressing appropriately can make or break the evening. It's not just about looking good, but feeling confident and comfortable in what you're wearing. Throughout this video, we'll be sharing some insightful tips and tricks to help you navigate the sometimes daunting world of dinner occasion attire. No need to worry anymore, this guide will help you choose the right outfit for a dinner occasion. Picture this: you've been invited to a casual dinner at a friend's house. The question is, what to wear? The answer is quite simple. Comfort and style should be your guiding principles. Start with a pair of well-fitted jeans or chinos. These are versatile, comfortable, and a staple for any casual occasion. Pair them with a stylish button-down shirt or a chic blouse. Now let's talk about color. Don't shy away from incorporating a splash of color or pattern into your outfit. A bright shirt or a patterned scarf can add a personal touch and make your outfit stand out. Shoes can make or break an outfit. Opt for a pair of clean, comfortable sneakers or loafers. They're stylish yet practical for a relaxed dinner setting. But remember, it's a casual dinner, not a fashion runway. Avoid overdressing. You want to look good, but you also want to feel comfortable and relaxed. Remember, comfort and style go hand in hand for casual dinner occasions. Now imagine you're heading to a semi-formal dinner event. You want to strike the perfect blend of sophistication and ease. For men, consider a nice pair of dark-colored slacks paired with a crisp dress shirt. A tie is optional but can add an extra touch of elegance. For women, a cocktail dress or a dressy jumpsuit is a great choice. When it comes to footwear, opt for dress shoes or loafers for men, and mid to high heels or dressy flats for women. And remember, comfort is key. You don't want to spend the evening nursing sore feet. Accessorizing can really elevate your outfit. Men can experiment with pocket squares or cufflinks, while women can opt for statement jewelry or a chic clutch bag. As for colors, stick to neutrals or darker shades. They are universally flattering and versatile. And there you have it. Dressing for a semi-formal dinner isn't as daunting as it might seem. Semi-formal occasions call for a balance between elegance and comfort. Finally, let's think about a formal dinner occasion, like a black tie event. When it comes to these affairs, it's all about sophistication and elegance. For the ladies, evening gowns are a classic choice. Opt for quality fabrics like silk, chiffon, or satin, and consider colors that complement your skin tone. For the gentlemen, a well-tailored tuxedo is the standard. Black is traditional, but a midnight blue can be a stylish alternative. But your clothing is just the beginning. Accessories too play a crucial role. Ladies, think tasteful jewelry, perhaps a string of pearls or diamond studs. Gentlemen, a tasteful watch and cufflinks can add that final touch. And let's not forget grooming, a polished hairstyle and subtle makeup for the ladies, a neat haircut and clean shave for the gentlemen. Remember, the devil is in the details. Formal occasions require a touch of sophistication and elegance. So, we've covered dressing for casual, semi-formal and formal dinner occasions. We've seen how crucial it is to match your attire to the event's atmosphere, enhancing not only your personal style but also your comfort. Be it a laid-back get-together or an upscale banquet, your outfit should always reflect the occasion. We've shared key tips to help you navigate these fashion choices with ease. Remember, the right outfit can boost your confidence and make any dinner occasion a memorable one. Dress to impress. If you enjoyed this style guide, give us a thumbs up, comment on your favorite tip, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more fashion insights, and until next time, dress confidently and impressively. Be sure to click the link in the description to enjoy our video, where we explore how ways your clothes speak louder than words unveils the power of self-expression through fashion. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next video.